How can I learn English easily? If you are English learner, if you want to learn English easily or fastly, this channel for you. Hello guys, my name is Insaf and in this video I am going to share with you 5 tips, 5 steps that you can follow while learning English. Number 1. Focus on communication first. If you are a learner, don't focus on perfection, on grammar or any other thing. First, try to focus on communication. If the other person understand your speaking, that means your communication is good. That means you know English. First, don't focus any other thing. If you say is another person is understand you, that means your communication is good. That means you can learn English. My step number 2 is don't follow everything. There are thousand and million ways that you can learn English, but you never have to follow all of this way. It's not necessary that tips or tricks it's work for you, all of these tricks, not. Some tips are work for you or some tips are not work for you. Don't follow all of these tips. If this tip is work for you, you can follow it easily. Someday you feel not I am not learning. Someday you feel, oh, I can learn English, I know English. This is normal. So when you learning, don't follow all of this thing. If you are a beginner, that is these tips work for you, follow these tips. And my step number 3 is be realistic. If you are a learner, you have to be realistic. You have to be set a goals, a realistic goals. Don't learn over something. I think if you are a learner, if you set a goals, I want to be fluent in 1 month. If you are a beginner, you cannot learn fluent in 1 month. If you are advanced level of learner, that you can take this channel, I want to be fluent 1 month. But if you are a beginner, you have to take a small goals. I think if you are a beginner, you can set I want to be advanced level English learner in 1 month. That is be realistic goals. So try to be set small and realistic goal. That for example, I want to learn English every day 10 minutes. I want to practice my spoken English with foreigner just 5 minutes a day. That is realistic and achievable goal. So try to be set this kind of realistic and achievable goals. And you are humans. You cannot learn all of this thing. First, set 5 minutes goals and then try to increase day by day. Second day, you can speak with foreigner 7 minutes, 8 minutes, or try to increase this thing day by day. My step number 4 is know your level. Then when you know your level, then you can improve your level. If you are a beginner, try to know which kind of level of your. When you know, you can increase your level. You can set goals. I want to be advanced just 2 or 3 months. That is the advantage of knowing your level. So if you are a beginner, try to set this goal, or if you are advanced level of learner, try to be set another goals. That is the advantage of knowing your levels. My step number 5 is technology. I think technology your friend. Try to be use technology for learning English. For example, if right now you are using technology, you are using internet for improving your English. So try to use AI or some technology that can help you to learn your English easily. In this video, I am not going to share with you a lot of technology because this video is coming soon. How can you learn English with AI? How can you learn English with a lot of technology? So this video is coming soon, but in this video I can share with you a technology that name is I think AI, ChatGPT. This is the one of the great AI that you can practice your English easily. So try to be use ChatGPT for improving your English. So that's it, guys. Keep learning, enjoying your process. This is the way that can help you to learn English very easily or very fastly. So don't forget to subscribe if you like my video.